Welcome to my channel. This is my recipe of Asian inspired chicken. This is how I'm going to clean the chicken thighs that I will be using for the recipe. There's a lot of skin around and fat. You don't need too much skin, so I'm going to remove most of the skin and the fat around it. Fat from the sides. I take out some of the skin from the top too. And try and trim some of the fat off here. So that's all we need. We don't need too much skin, and we do not need the fat around it. I will wash the chicken pieces. I've prepped most of them. I've just kept this one to show you how I clean it. So I washed my chicken, I drained it, and I've pat dried it as best as I can. Now I've used about 1.5 teaspoons of soya sauce, a little bit of salt, not too much, just a pinch or two, because I'll be making a sauce later on, and freshly ground pepper, black pepper. And I didn't want to touch all of it with my chicken fingers, so I've done it ahead of time. And I'm going to let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I will check. Now, everybody's oven is different, so you have to keep an eye on your chicken. So for the sauce, I'm going to use the white part of the green onions, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, vinegar sweetener. If you don't get vinegar sweetener, you can just use any vinegar or Chinese vinegar. And I've put about 4 tablespoons of this Thai sweet red chili sauce. I'm going to keep 3 tablespoons of the sauce for basting. The marinated chicken goes into the oven for about 20 minutes, and then I will remove it, baste the chicken, and then put it back into the oven for another 10 or 15 minutes or until it's cooked. So I've kept some sauce, 2 or 3 tablespoons for basting the chicken, and the rest of it I'm going to put it in my frying pan. To this, I'm going to add a few tablespoons of Campbell's no salt chicken broth, because I've already used soya sauce to marinate the chicken and also in this. So about 1/4 cup chicken stock goes in here. The white part of the onions, and a dash of granulated garlic. I'm going to stir this up, and this will just boil a bit. Within a few minutes on a medium heat, my sauce has thickened a bit. And once the chicken is done, I'll pour the sauce with the chicken. So it has been 20 minutes since my chicken was cooking in the oven, that I'm going to baste it ever so slightly. It doesn't need too much. As you can see, it's all over. I think I'll put this back in the oven for another 15 minutes. You gotta watch it though, because with the basting, it could burn. I'm going to taste the chicken first with the sauce that I need. It's just nice. Just be sure not to put too much of salt if you're going to be using soy sauce in your food. Thank you for watching.